Welcome to Siem Reap, welcome to Pub Street in the evening. Let's see how it looks here. It's more busy than before. The whole city is somehow very calm. I want to see how the walking street looks here in the evening. Okay, there are shows over there.
By night it looks very nice.
Yeah. Very nice lights over there. Oh, look at this. This is the temple lounge now. So this is... No,
It's different.
yeah. Oh.
That's a really big club. Look at this temple.
Oh, yeah. So this is a big club and you can also go upstairs. And upstairs may be interesting. Sky Lounge Pub, the most popular Western bar. All right. So we have a lot of restaurants here also on the second floor.
Oh, gluten-free is available.
Gluten-free, guys. All right.
So you should come here.
So this is the most important thing, right? Draft beer, 50 cents. Or you buy 2 bottles of beer and get a one free.
Yeah, check me sir, 50 cent beer for you, right?
Okay, thank you.
50 cent beer.
There's also pizza here. A Toro grill.
Oh, it's Italian pizza.
Oh,
It's not
nice.
just a regular pizza.
It looks very stylish, right?
Buy one, get one free. I like it.
Huh. Mesa restaurant. Those places,
Everything looks nice.
yeah, also the seating and everything. And what is going on over there?
Like a
There's
shopping
some
area.
shopping, I think. All right.
Wow.
It's not super big, but it's like, it's nice and calm. I could imagine when it's like the high season. And also this is a Red Piano Bar. Best pork ribs in town. Hey!
But what I see is everything is very clean.
And here's a Tomb Raider cocktail.
It's Angelina's favorite. So.
And every 500 sold, you get a $100 cash. Look at how stylish this looks. 23-year experience.
Station B, I guess.
Yeah.
Look at this little scooter.
Yeah, my God. That's the... Okay, so it's even longer. I thought it's just this one street.
Oh, but it seems it's the whole area.
Yeah, and you always have an upstairs area as well.
Charisma. What is this? Charisma.
Oh, yeah, that's why you don't have that. Oh, the space. Oh, on the other side, I think we filmed that as well.
Yeah. They have these creamy ice cream rolls.
Oh.
Okay.
What kind of food do they have here? They have hot pot.
Recommended.
And
they
fish.
say. Okay, fish.
Hello sir.
Okay, and they have sashimi as well here.
Western food.
Yeah. Oh, and even a iPad.
Wow.
All right. Yeah.
As you see, that's the prices for sashimi.
Yep. All right, and the steak. Look at the steak platter, 58
Looks
bucks.
so nice.
Grilled ribeye. Okay.
I'm hungry. Getting hungry.
Yeah. You hungry?
All right.
Take your seat. We bring the menu now.
Very nice. Thank you very much.
All right, let's walk back and
Yes.
check out Riverside Night Market over there. Huh.
Oh, it seems they say it's soft opening.
Okay, the
Maybe
space.
it's a new space.
Oh. They have huge fans over there. It's pretty early still.
Yeah. It's 7:50.
Yeah. But that's our nightlife, right? But yeah, it feels safe here.
It's a sports bar.
Oh, do you think they're open early?
Oh, look at this. They have an offer for $10.
Pork ribs.
Yeah.
What is the beer price here? A mug is 125, jug at 4, tower is 11.
Cambodia beer $2.50. Okay.
But buy one, get one free.
So it's $1.25.
Oh, look at this. Did I show UFC? No. Huh.
But if you just look at it, they have everything. They stream every sport.
Yeah,
AFL,
yeah, yeah.
Bundesliga, Premier League.
Problem is they open later, I think. Let's take a look over there. Yeah. Station B pub.
I would like to know if they are here in the high season, if it's crowded like Pattaya in Thailand.
Comment below if you know how busy it can be. Hello.
Hello.
So 1 hour foot massage, $5?
Oh,
Maybe we should get that.
to be honest, I've been to a foot massage. It
Yeah.
was really good, but they charged me $15.
Oh wow.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, look at this, duty free. There's some words everyone loves. Interesting, guys. Yeah, you can get some gazelles. So how much is it though? 99? No, 42.99? I don't know. Interesting. Hello. Oh, look at this. My old man shoes here. Oh yeah, that's what I like. Hokas. But I'm rocking Essex.
But this is the shoe, the favorite shoes of Jermaine, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Best friend.
I'm not sure if they're real here. But here you can get also on swag. And here as well, look at this. Ooh. It's a special edition here. Huh. And sunglasses. Oh, look at this.
I like the Tiger Mexico, to be honest.
This looks good.
This is the best. Or the yellow one.
42. Oh, look at this. Essex.
Look at this. They say there's $33.
Yeah.
It's the Nimbus. 27.
Wondering where are they produced though?
Let me help you out, maybe. 72.
It looks good, the quality. Like this here as well.
The Air Max. I
And
remember.
you get a Prada hat. Huh. Birkenstocks. All right.
Okay, that's
There's another massage place here on the right. And I think this is the place for tacos. Man, should we eat tacos?
Oh, this could be. There is the old market.
Oh, this is where we walked today,
Yes.
right? Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Oh, special massage Marcus.
This is a special.
Oh.
No VIP is special.
Huh.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, 3 Indian restaurants in a row.
Yeah.
Oh, but we want Mexico. Mexico! And look at this. Viva Amok. Mama. Wow. What this $5.50 a taco? Two crispy.
Quesadilla.
Bean quesadilla $6.
Only one? No, two. Okay, so they have a mixed one. It's not really.
Oh, so you can get a mix out of all the specialties here. And green curry. Oh, here, Viva Amok, $5.50. Chicken or fish? All right.
That's interesting.
All
This is
cocktails
it, yeah.
$2.50 and draft beer 70 cents. 75. Gin tonic $2.
$2.
I'm always a little bit worried about drinking gin and things like that. The safest thing you can do is drinking bottled beer, I think.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go back here to the left and check out what's over there. Oh, look at this, tourist SIM card for internet and call. If you don't have a SIM card yet, it's pretty affordable on the airport even. $4 for 30 gigabytes, 7 days. So yeah. Oh, look at this.
It's a nice street.
Let's walk there and then to the right.
That's a lot of meat.
Oh, there you can get your hornhauts removed.
Oh, yeah. Where's the hard skin?
Hard skin? Yeah, I don't know
This is
either.
the word for today.
Yeah,
Hornhaut.
hornhaut. Oh, look at this. They make the pizza here. What a beautiful. Oh, nice. Maybe we should eat pizza. I think Cambodia is famous for pizza as well, right? Or Siem Reap. Oh, what is this? Gelato lab. That looks stylish.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very stylish.
And here, crepe Italy.
Also, it looks very clean. Nothing is trashy.
Ah.
It looks also.
Looks like a proper pizza place. And it's gluten-free, guys. It's gluten-free. Mussels, $15. Okay, this is Picasso bar. This also looks very stylish here. Yeah. M bar. Huh. It looks like comfortable seats. Gelato.
And here's the 7-Eleven, I remember.
Yeah. Oh, it's very busy on the streets now. Here, right at the beginning.
Here for 75 cents.
Yes, I think. Yeah. But I think it's draft beer. There's a massage place over there, and a rooftop bar over there. X bar. Okay. Interesting.
Directly over at 7-Eleven.
Yeah. Oh no, thank you. So this is the Pub Street Temple. Lots of advertisement for the temple rooftop. Ah, there are many rooftops here. Look at this. Cheers rooftop. Hello. Flex.
Also look very good.
Oh yeah, looks very nice. Yeah. Oh, we just walk around first. Thank you. Oh wow.
Oh, Herbie? Or what is the name? Herbie.
I don't know. Is it your old car when you were young?
Yeah. No, it's from Disney.
Gumball 3000. Oh wow.
It's really nice movies from Disney.
They also have very expensive sashimi here.
It's the same price from the other one.
All right, guys. It looks very nice, peaceful, and it's a nice breeze now. And look at this. I feel like home in Germany. It's a Gold Bar sports bar. All right. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. and see you in the next one.